Hi guys, we are here again with exposure today. If you like our videos, do click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Our previous video was on single if function. So now we'll be looking into creating a very simple if program. So let's have the condition statement. If your age is less than 65, the system needs to print you are too young to retire. If your age is greater than 65, the system needs to print you are ready to retire. So let's get it done. Let's begin with our Java programming with this variable int age equals to 18. Let's get this out and let's see if my condition is age lesser than 65 based on the condition or statement that we saw just now. Okay, if age is lesser than 65, so we use the system.out.print, which says you are too young to retire, and then we end it with a semicolon, and then we end this with a curly bracket as well. So let's see if age bigger than 65, then we say system.out.println open bracket you are ready to retire. So just make sure everything is there. Okay, let's run the program. Run. Okay, let's run the program now. Okay, so once I have run the program, it says 20 is greater than 18. If you look into this statement here, it says the age is 18. So, sorry, I got it wrong. Okay, so when I run the program, and you're too young to retire because it's 18 and it's less than 65. So let's say I key in 80. So what happens then? Run the program. You are ready to retire. So basically it prints out you're ready to retire because the age has been changed. So this is a very simple program of if function. So I hope you guys have gotten a good exposure to this beginner stage. And well, don't forget to subscribe us, and I'll see you in the next lesson on if else function. Bye.